Faisal Sami with the Faisal Startup Research YouTube channel. In the last video we have discussed about the chi-square distribution and chi-square test. We will continue this topic with the contingency table. We have discussed about the attribute data. Attribute data को हम different classes के अंदर classify करते हैं और हर class को हम with the R और C classes के साथ denote कर सकते हैं और जो हम notations देंगे with R and C, these are in the form of tabular form and this table is said to be your contingency table. और contingency table किस फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है, 2x3 का हो सकता है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सिचुएशन के पहले एट्रीब्यूट डाटा की कितनी क्लासेस हैं, दूसरे एट्रीब्यूट वेरिएबल के कितनी क्लासेस हैं. तो इट मे बी वेरीज फ्रॉम 2x3 2x2 3x4 4x3 etc. It may be different, have different forms. So we will move towards the general procedure of the chi-square test and this is test for the independence. हमारा सारा प्रोसीजर सेम होता है जो हम हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग के दौरान सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो करते हैं. उन सब स्टेप्स के अंदर जो चीज़ें ऐड अप की हैं वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. फॉर्मूलेशन ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस में हमारा जो जनरल हाइपोथेसिस फर्स्ट स्टेप है जी फॉर्मूलेशन ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस. हाइपोथेसिस हम अपना ये डिफाइन करते हैं कि बोथ द कैटेगोरिकल वेरिएबल्स आर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ईच अदर, दैट इज़ नो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन देम. And the alternative hypothesis have an alternative situation that both the categorical variables are dependent to each other, that there maybe have a relationship between them. Next step में हम अपना level of significance define कर देते हैं. It may varies from situation to situation, that is it may be 0.05, 0.01 and 0.10. Again the test statistic, here the chi-square test statistic is equals to summation Oij minus Eij का whole square divided by Eij. Eij is the expected frequencies and these are calculated from the contingency table using the observed frequencies, and its formula is equals to Eij is equals to obtained by multiplying by row total and column total and dividing by the grand total of the contingency table data. Next is calculation. We do calculation to calculate the expected frequency and the test statistics. Next step is critical region. In the critical region we calculate the tabulated value of chi-square distribution with r minus 1 into c minus 1 degree of freedom, and at the last we conclude our results by comparing the values of the calculated and tabulated. So we have an example. Example is related to the agriculture where the new variety of rice is introduced, and the agriculture economist want to check the relationship between the tenure status of the farmers and the adaptation status of the farmer. So tenure status is further categorized into 3 categories, that is one is owner operator, share rent farmer, fixed rent farmer, and the adaptation status is further categorized into adopter or a non-adopter. For the solution we first make the hypothesis that the farmer will adopt the new variety independent of the tenure status, and the alternative hypothesis formulation of hypothesis will define the statement that the farmer adopt the new yield variety independent of the tenure status, and the alternative situation is defined in the alternative hypothesis. So with the level of significance 0.05 we will test the test statistic chi-square is equals to summation Oij minus Eij का whole square divided by Eij. So we have a data with the 3 into 2 contingency table. हमारे पास अब 3 rows हैं. जो tenure status है वो 3 कैटेगराइज में डिफाइन किया गया था और जो अडोप्टर है वो 2 कैटेगराइज में डिफाइन किया, दैट इज अडोप्टर एंड नॉन अडोप्टर. फार्मर विल अडॉप्ट दिस वैरायटी और नॉट with the tenure status of having owner operator and rent or shared or fixed. So here we have calculated the column totals and the row totals, and the 187 is actually your grand total. By calculating the expected frequencies we get this table Eij. Actually these are the Eij for the adopter, for the non-adopter, for the honor operator for the share rent farmer and for the fixed rent farmers. So by using this data and put it in the chi-square formula, we will get the chi-square value that is equals to 2.01, and we have calculated the critical region by using the degree of freedom 3 into 3 cross 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 1, that we will get is equals to 2 into 1 is equals to 2, and we observe the value in the table, and we will obtain a value that is 5.9 at the 5% level of significance. And at last we conclude our results that we do not reject H0 because the calculated value is less than tabulated value, and the hypothesis that we do not reject is that the varieties and the tenure status are independent of each other. So we conclude our results. Hope so you will understand it, and thank you so much for watching.